as I always start these sessions, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to our great founders from all over the world, depending on what part of the world you're from. For those of you that haven't had a chance to meet yet, I'm Paymon, head of the accelerator here at Peachscore, and happy to have you here. This is our monthly networking session, what we call Founders Connect. This is an opportunity for you guys to meet other founders in the program. For those of you that have been with us for a while, feel free to introduce yourself yet again. And while we do this, share your LinkedIn on chat. This is a great opportunity to connect with each other. Mine is there too, but you guys should all be connected with me by now. If not, feel free to do so. I'm going to call you in the order that I see you on my screen. And once I do, introduce yourself, tell us where you join us from. And then about a 1 minute, let's call it an elevator pitch. Tell us about the problem you're solving and what you're working on solution-wise. And then what I like everyone to also share is whether you're able to support other founders in any way, or if you need support from other founders. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Marshall, go ahead, please.
All right. Hi, my name is Marshall Pickett. I am CEO and founder of Pickett.ai. We are a prop tech company based on property intelligence designed to help builders, apartment developers, buyers, and agents all make the sales process easier. Through the buyers, they can rank homes in different categories, and it helps them make a decision whether or not they actually like that property based on the location, the price, the lot, and all these different algorithms that we have in place. For the builders, it helps them put better inventory on the ground in the future based off of what people are not liking or liking. And for real estate agents, we have an ecosystem that we're building that is a very minimal fee that allows buyers to actually find real estate agents with no spam whatsoever. And they can pair up based off of what that buyer is looking for in a real estate agent. So we're a soup to nuts company, but we are basically from when you leave Zillow to go look at homes, Pickett AI picks up the process and helps you purchase the home.
Amazing. Thank you. I'm going to take a quick snapshot here. All right. Let's go to the next person, folks. Be sure to raise your hand so I'll call you. And don't be shy. This is a safe space. Best place. We don't want secret entrepreneurs. You want to get out there, be comfortable talking about your company, and this is an amazing opportunity to do so. Let me go to Dr. Derbal, please.
Hi, everyone. My name is Delba Nerushek. I'm CEO and founder of Coaching for Change. I've been doing coaching consulting for over 20 years. And recently I've built an assessment tool called Accountability Intelligence, which measures the gap between intention and action. It's a leadership assessment tool and also teams as well. And it qualifies decision-making under pressure and through uncertainty. And one thing that I would really very much value is if there's any tech companies here, founders, like-minded people like you, to be able to test the assessment, that would be amazing. I have done more than 300 pilot groups and, with their teams, but I would benefit more if there are more volunteers to practice and experience that assessment. Please send me a contact through the LinkedIn. I've shared my LinkedIn address so we can get to know each other and I can, pass on the information and you give me feedback around it. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Andrew.
Hi, I'm Andrew Juronic, founder and CEO of Efficiency Signal Inc. The issue that we're addressing is that the energy industry, and utilities in particular, our customers need to increase electric supply to address rising demand for electricity from data centers, EVs, industrial onshoring, and a myriad of other conditions. Utilities can't build plants fast enough, and the infrastructure needed to support them. So digital tools enable a way to address the problem by getting more power production out of existing equipment, which is aging substantially in this country. So that's what we do. We provide data analytics systems to power plants for them to better monitor their equipment and intervene to improve its efficiency, power, and lower the costs of producing the power and increase the electricity supply. We're located in Baltimore, but we have a large amount of partners that are located around the country and internationally. And so our plan is to start with domestic sales in the US. We're currently releasing our MVP and piloting that in 2 to 5 plants. And we will continue with the development and then roll into US sales and then international sales. We can accelerate sales through our partner network who have long served our industry and our customers' utilities.
All right, thanks, Andrew. Okay, let's go to the next person. Dustin Sachs, please.
I'm
Okay.
joining from just outside of Houston, Texas. And I come to the startup world from 20 years of cybersecurity experience, including most recently as the deputy CISO for a $30 billion Fortune 100 energy company. And one of the things, one of the things I've seen throughout my career is that really we encounter the same problem in cybersecurity. Organizations are buying more tools, they're adding more controls, implementing more controls, but struggling with the same challenges. The biggest problem that we have in in cybersecurity isn't lack of technology. It's actually the people, the decisions, and increased stress that's put on teams. Our security teams are overloaded with more than 78 different security tools, and employees are regularly bypassing controls just simply to get work done. So that's why I built CyberCog Labs. We have a patent pending suite of software that helps organizations to identify how people are actually making decisions throughout their day around security, and then really helping them redesign those decision points so that the security team, the CISO, can look like the brilliant, experienced professionals that they are. A lot of the work that we've done has been built on the over 75 years of behavioral science research. When it comes to helping we can absolutely help with partnering, with sharing our experience as well, unlocking access to customers, access to clients, and we're happy to share free trial versions of our software with anybody on here. And
Dustin, we're losing your voice.
help organizations make faster.
All right, thank you.
Can you hear me now? Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay.
I think you're getting
Okay.
back connection. Folks, I would appreciate it if you keep it to about a minute, 2 minutes max. That way we have enough time for everyone to go through. But with that, let me go to Nick. Go ahead, please.
Thanks. Hi, I am Nick Longton. I've been working in web tech for about 30 years. I'm a third-time founder. I'm CEO and co-founder at INSEE. We are building a comprehensive website QA suite. Last year, we kind of launched our Beachhead product, which tests website accessibility for WordPress. We did a beta, and 40% of beta users ended up buying it. So website QA is kind of the unsung hero of your online business performance. If your site is slow, if it doesn't work on mobile, if it has poor accessibility, poor SEO, it's not going to convert people. It's not going to help market your business. So our tool does 3 things. We use virtual browsers on the internet to test your website, how users actually experience it. It's deeply embedded into your existing website platform, so you don't have to learn anything new, and uses AI-powered workflows to help you improve your website. I've met with several other founders before too, and if anybody wants me to look at their site, we have a free demo. We can point it at your website and you can get a comprehensive accessibility report to see if there are any issues with your online presence. And selling to, enterprise, government, finance, healthcare, government, all these different industries, they're going to expect, you to meet accessibility standards. So it can be quite important for startups trying to sell to those industries. So reach out if you ever want us to take a look at your site. Thanks.
Thanks, Nick. Ashwara?
Hi, I'm Aishwarya. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Prithvion. It's an ag tech startup. At Prithvion, we are building a predictive intelligence tool for agronomists and crop growers to predict and forecast crop diseases. Current tools are reactive and they do not really fit the current changing climate, and it is difficult for farmers to use them with diseases just sprouting up anytime. So we are building this tool to fit in the gap of academia, industry, and big ag. Yeah. And we are early stage, and the ask for us is if anybody knows any agronomists or farmers and would love to connect us with them, that would be helpful. Thank you.
All right, very cool. Mark, please.
I'm the founder and of Enitrack Corp and CEO. We've been in business since 2010. We've done business with NASA, GM, in the light electric vehicle sector. We have now developed a mobility cart that we hope will be used both for on-world and off-world applications. It's unique in the sense that it's designed to fold in such a way that it will support swarm applications. For instance, putting a lot of mobility carts into a rocket doesn't lend itself to what's available right now, which is just like a dune buggy. So unfortunately, I can't show you a picture of how we uniquely address the application of compactness and yet unfold autonomously, implement navigational AR. Our applications, of course, are not just off-world, even though we feel that will establish a name for ourselves, for the company. We hope that the consistent presence of off-world with SpaceX and NASA on the moon, we will have a viable business model, but we really expect use on this planet. Just in simple applications, we sort of apply drone mentality to old school vehicle design. For instance, like a tank today weighs 1 million pounds, has 4 inches of armor. Take the people out of the tank and you don't need any of that weight, and you wind up with a light, mobile, aggressive vehicle. And that's just one, without an NDA to this group, I obviously can't talk about the 10 or 12 other applications we have for this cart, what we call the mobility cart. Now, since we've been in business 10 years, we could finance a prototype, but that gets us nowhere. We really need venture capital to take this to the level that makes it disruptive, and that's why we're here.
Marcel, please.
Hey everyone, I'm together with my business partner Larissa here. We are all the way from Romania, so far away from you guys. Nice to meet everyone here. We have founded together Naratui. It's a platform that generates books and an entire manuscript for coaches, for experts, for entrepreneurs, for creators. We're taking them from idea to a written book within 1 hour. And yeah, that's pretty much what we are working on. We can extend an invitation to everyone here to try our platform. We can offer a 100% discount if you want to write your book, to put your expertise in a book. And yeah, let's connect. Happy to meet everyone.
I'm gonna go out of order real quick since you mentioned Larissa. Larissa, why don't you go next?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys. As Marcel said, we are living in Romania, but we have expertise in working with US businesses because we are also running like an agency for e-commerce sellers since 8 years ago. And we saw this business need, like to set the authority for consultants, for entrepreneurs to level up from just another expert to a published author that has like an entire book written based on their experience and on a specific topic that they want to leverage. So I invite everyone. I'm sure that you have plenty of ideas about your field of study and your experience. So yeah, if you want to write your book in less than 1 hour, feel free to test our platform, and we are open as well for connecting with other founders, investors to learn and to develop even further.
All right, thank you. Raul, go ahead.
Hi, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Hey, my name is Raul, and I'm calling here from New York City. I'm the founder, CEO, and CTO of Bondition. What we are, Bondition, basically, every day, people make commitment between co-founders, freelancers, and clients, friends lending money, family sharing responsibilities, or small businesses agreeing on terms. The problem is that most of these agreements are they're not formal. They happen over text, over coffee, or on a phone call. Um, so they're trust, but there's no structured record of mutual intent. And when misunderstanding happen, relationships suffer and project collapse and dispute escalate unnecessarily. So Bondition solve that gap where we sit right in the middle between trust and law. And Bondition allow two or more parties to document a shared intent in a secure, timestamp, and neutral format without turning everything into a sort of legal contract. We sort of like preserve clarity without triggering legal complexity, and we're very simple, um, and we're designed to protect relationship before problem arrive. So this is sort of who we are. We're targeting the whole global market right now. So in a nutshell, so I'll be happy to connect with a lot more of you guys because I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have other ventures that I'm working on as well beside Bondition. So it'll be nice to hear from any of you guys regarding what else you're solving right now.
All right, thank you. Let me go to Rocky.
Hey, what's happening, Payman? What's going on,
Good to
folks?
see you.
Good to see you again, man. What's up, y'all? My name is Rocky Hip Holman. And what my company does is actually kind of rare here with Peachscore. We actually are a music publishing company. So I'm the founder of an organization called Arseniola Music Publishing. And essentially, I'm in Oakland, California. And I don't know if I said that. We we kind of operate under the understanding that music has the power to drive social change and preserve culture and support healing. And generally, in today's music industry, it's largely driven by commercial priorities, right? And as a result, filmmakers, educators, social justice organizations, and whatnot, they struggle to find music that aligns with their values. Um, while socially conscious artists, often lack equitable ways to license their music and whatnot. So, and also, I would say, young people, especially those impacted by systemic inequities, they often lack access to culturally relevant education that reflects their lived experience. So, what we do is we bridge music and restorative justice and tools for storytelling by providing music for licensing music for licensing, and we also have a restorative justice music curriculum that we license as well. And I guess what I could say we offer here is something that I would hope maybe everybody might be able to use, especially considering that we're all doing pitch videos and whatnot. And it's music. So folks looking for good background music, give me a holler.
All right, thanks. Next, we have Bilal.
Hey everyone, how y'all doing?
Hello, go for it.
Hey, my name is Bilal, and I am the founder of a tool called MoodSpace. MoodSpace helps managers spot burnout early and prevents it before it's too late. So after years of me being a consultant, I watched so many people in my company just leave, just, becoming overwhelmed, felt unheard, and, eventually just burnt out. So seeing that turnover is what pushed me to build this tool called MoodSpace. With MoodSpace, employees do like a 10-second check-in, managers get a clear pulse of the team, and they also recommend who's at risk and actions to take to try to prevent, burnout from taking place. Uh, right now, I've been just talking to a lot of different companies and getting their feedback and having them pilot. So, right now we're doing somewhat pretty well. We have about three pilot cases, so getting, some pretty good feedback as of that. What I can help with is, I built this tool and I built many tools in the past as well. So if anyone is having any uh, tech help with building a website, building an app, I'm more than happy to share what I've learned.
All right, thanks. Katie, I see you're back. You want to try again? See if your audio is okay now?
Yes, how's that?
Perfect. Go for it.
All right. So I'm a mom. I'm on my way to pick up my kid. I'm trying to multitask without crashing. So I pulled over. My business is called Eliconis. What I'm trying to do is solve three problems in the education ecosystem, and that's that there's a lot of ways to get education, but no real way to kind of keep track of that for people outside of the realm of college. Um, the second thing is to provide a marketplace for people that have educational offerings. There's no central place to do that right now, at least that I've been able to find. And then the third is companies and government entities, community entities, needing a portal to provide resources to either their employees or their community, and a way to brand that and make it specific to a group. So I'm building a platform to bring all of these three things together to help create more of an educational ecosystem and raise that educational access for the world. So that's me. The only ask that I have right now is I'm trying to build an email list to build awareness. And I left the link in the chat. If you want to go and leave your email address, you can get notices. The platform still needs to be built. So appreciate everyone's support.
All right, thank you. Talal.
Okay, great. Hello, everyone. My name is Talal Al-Harbi, and I'm the founder and CEO of YourCash, a fintech consumes platform to spend wisely, save instantly, and invest seamlessly. Our mission at YourCash is to help individuals and you to become closer to your financial freedom by aggregating your financials into one simple dashboard so you can have an insights of your financial habits and pattern, and to help you also with the spending to save at least 10% of your expenses at any purchase, and help you to convert that savings, that petty savings, into investments so you become closer to your financial freedom in step by step. I'm from Saudi Arabia, and if anyone wants to expand into the kingdom, I'll be happy to help, and I'll leave my LinkedIn account in the chat. Thank you.
All right, thanks. Gaurav, please.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, go for it.
Yeah. So I'm Gaurav Santoshwar, based in Mumbai, India. I'm building, uh, I have a total 20 years of experience and last being Arab Investment Fund Management. I'm trying to build a fund insurtech platform, which, as the name suggests, it's just like Amazon. Um, um, it's like ensuring the funds and protect the investors' confidence from the hidden risks on the financial products like mutual funds, home loans, and alternative investments. The problem that is being solved is today the investor earn and return spends. I mean, they spend trillions of dollars without any downside protection. So I'm building a risk protection layer for the default insurance through either surety or the term insurance. And it's a 200 billion market, out of which the platform is trying to address 3 to 5 billion, out of which the a sizable hit would be about 1%, that makes it to $40 million initial market size. That's it.
All right, thank you. Rohit, please.
Hi guys. Basically, I'm trying to break the Google search algorithm, and on that, is it okay if I share my screen?
Nope.
Can I?
No.
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 Oh,
No.
no. Oh, sorry. Like, are you joking? Are you serious?
I'm serious. This
Okay.
is audio only, buddy.
Okay. So, anyways, we did our first pilot with a company Sinzi, which is like serving Fortune 500 clients, and we were able to increase their US traffic clicks by organic clicks by 235% in 3 months, and organic traffic by 134%, and their marketing qualified lead doubled. And so the whole idea was basically content explosion is actually happening. Because of that, the visibility is changing in terms of like people when they try to brand. And the hypothesis for going in this direction was like it's impossible to beat Google or ChatGPT or Perplexity. Like no human can do it. So only a machine can beat a machine. So it was very similar to like building an enigma in order to fight it. And then, of course, it is more like a ML algorithm, which basically figure out in an embedding surface that what should be written, that it will by default beat the Google algorithm and the ChatGPT and the Perplexity. So this is what I do.
All right, thank you. All right, let me go to Kareem, please.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kareem El-Gabardi. I live in OC, Orange County, California. I am a founder and a product builder who focused on building AI financial tech for startups and small businesses. Over the past year, I built a startup called Ali, where I worked on developing an AI-powered CFO platform designed to help early-stage founders understand their financials, forecast scenarios, and make smarter decisions before they run out of runway. And throughout the journey, I conducted a lot of customer discovery, got a lot of pilots going on with founders, operators, and gain a lot of insights into the operational and financial challenges startups face in the early stages. And most recently, I made a strategic pivot. Instead of continuing to build the startup alone, I decided to join a new team where I can contribute to building product, AI, and startup building experience, and to help scale something bigger together. And I'm excited to learn from all the other founders and collaborate and help build products that create real value for businesses. Feel free to connect with me, and yeah, thank you so much.
All right, thanks. Edward, please.
Hi, I'm Edward Johnson, and I've been doing security risk assessments for over 35 years. I'm introducing Threadalytics risk management software and for medium to large-sized organizations. It's a complete set of modeling, graphical, statistical tools supporting management, your own stakeholders in your organization, to understand risk through the organization. And The reason I'm doing that is because the threats that you're now facing, whether you're a small company or whatever, you're facing the same threat agents that used to be for intelligence and nuclear type sector type organizations. So you're so give me a call. We can see how I can help you with your organization. Thank you. I'm from Ottawa, by the way. I forgot to say that.
Thanks, Howard. Sim, please.
Hi guys, sorry I'm in a car, so I just had to join. My name is Simeon, and I'm here in Dallas, Texas. My startup is called Clean Ride. Clean Ride is building the operating system for full service car washes. So think of us like an open table for car washes. It lets drivers instantly find and reserve hand wash, full service, detailing car wash appointments, while also helping car wash owners operate, efficiently by filling out idle capacity, manage staffing better, and remove all the guesswork in managing a full service car wash. We started about 3 months ago. Officially, we've done over 200 bookings, 3 locations, and we're now expanding it across Dallas. Yeah, we're focusing more on the B2B side for now. And I'm happy to say that I'm also an operator, so I own a car wash, and that's where I found out the problem in real time, where people, everybody sitting here right now telling me, oh, they are very busy, they can't go to a car wash and get a full service car wash. So that's why we started building this. It's about an $18 billion a year industry, where it's still fully manual across most car washes when it comes to reservation, booking, and stuff like that. So we're the first to get it, and we also have a patent for this. So thank you very much. I'm happy to answer any questions.
All right, thank you. Nico, go for it.
Thank you, Feynman. Yeah, Nico from Switzerland, and we are building here in our 5-people team an AI-based, let's say, financial market navigator. This is the AG we just built, which is an LLC in the US similar. And we brought enough cash together to optimize your trading fees. And here is my question to you, Talal. I think what you said inspires me a lot. I would like to figure out if we have a chance to collaborate, just in case you're still here. And what actually we are doing, we are building a website or an app where people can join. And we are something like using also open banking and for sure other interfaces, like, for example, blockchain, to understand what you did on the stock markets. And then we interpret that together with our database, which maybe is collecting quite some, let's say, information from the market, telling you if you would have been with another broker, you would save so much money. So, Talal, what you mentioned, reaching faster your goal of financial freedom, I think we share. Payment, what would you recommend here? Is this something like a competitive situation, or is this
I suggest you guys connect and have a conversation.
Yeah, I do that. We should. Nico, I'd love to arrange a meeting and we can discuss that further.
Yeah.
Thank
All
you.
right, guys.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, Nico. Anybody else that would like to speak that hasn't had a chance yet?
Yeah, I can.
Sanjeev, you're raising your physical hand, not your Zoom hand. No, go ahead.
Actually, I am not able to find the Zoom hand. Okay, so.
Yeah, that's okay. Go for it.
So, myself, Sanjeev Munjal. Actually, I am basically a serial entrepreneur. I have, like, say, 4 businesses in operation right now. Okay, so I have a IT services company I've been running for 13 years. We kind of do ERP, CRM implementations and integrations. So out of that, came my first product, that is Aeon Flow. And that product, it's an iPaaS solution, and we focus mainly around ERP, CRM, and e-commerce kind of workflows and solutions around that particular niche. And like 5-6 years back, I was kind of delving a whole lot into cryptocurrency and facing a lot of problems filing crypto taxes. So tried a few kind of softwares and kind of again, being in automation, software automation felt like a problem that needed me, like needed solution from my side. So kind of started working in crypto taxes and ended up integrating over 100 blockchains, exchanges and all that. Okay, so we have kind of a crypto tax engine right now built for the US market that is in MVP at this moment. And then, like listening about car washes. So I am into traditional car washes also. And we purchased a car wash like 4 years back and kind of literally automated it as much as we could. And now kind of we are buying the second one at this moment.
Thank you. Thank you. Laz, go ahead.
How you doing, everybody? I'm Laz Sanchez, and I'm the CEO of Cyberellum Technologies and Laboratory. And we are essentially a cybersecurity consulting company originally. And we started getting heavily into neural networks and AI with some quantum cryptography components. And we ended up noticing that the biggest pain point right now, as we progressed our R&D work, has been governance. It's all the way from, we were getting calls from the EU, et cetera. And here in the United States, that seems to be the only subject on LinkedIn right now, or at least the main one. So we focused on that part of our work, which was on our roadmap anyway, and it manifested itself into an entire platform, which I did not plan on doing. That's a good thing. So we offer a pilot program right now, but essentially it's an entire platform of governance, not just AI governance, because why stop there? Here on Peachscore, I've only been here a couple of weeks, but had the pleasure of meeting a few founders already, and Mr. Payman, and there was a founder that needed help, had struggled for 9 months with getting some IT stuff done, or website, pitch deck, other things, and wanted to ask questions about AI. So she asked me if I could help her, and I did. And our group did in about 48 hours, 72 hours max. We set her up with a site, 4 or 5 specialized agents with Axiom SDK, which is the governance engine, and we've got a long way to go. So our R&D work is done, but now we're at migrating from MVP infrastructure to level 1 or version 1 scale, and hopefully we'll get some sort of seed sometime in the near future when we get our pitch deck and everything else in order, Mr. Payman.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
This is Preston. Am I able to pitch?
Yeah, go for it.
Hi. So I have something called Parsi specifically. It's a human potential analytic system which measures how people do problem solving and collaborative analyzing through cognitive thinking from games and mentorship to rate behavioral data from -300 to 2,000. And it specifically stands for tutoring for inner city people who have mental development issues.
All right. Thank you, Preston. Great job, everyone.